in the Civil War. Before I left, he told me what it takes to stay alive, but nothing could have prepared me for what I saw. New machines of war, like the tank, could sometimes change the battlefield overnight. Luckily, they were mostly
Edward.
Sir.
Townsend. Come on, you miss all the fun.
We need a fresh batch of salts over here. This lad's got training. All artillery! Fire!
I've been looking at your papers.
Don't worry about me, sir. I'm ready to do my bit for king and country.
Listen, son, you find forward and reverse when you're told you'll do all right for me. Grab those, would you? Come and meet Big Bess. Woman of your dreams. And our new driver, boys.
Whoa, no, don't swear. She does not like it when you swear. Finch.
Edwards.
You've done this before.
Done what before?
Mind your business with manners. Listen, don't worry. She'll look after you, yeah?
All right, boys. This is the big one. Our orders are to punch through the German line, destroying artillery positions as we go. Finch.
Yes, sir.
After that, we'll advance on the French town of Cambrai, where I have been assured there is wine, women, and song. So you should enjoy that.
Ah, my man is wine. Jesus. Are we in safe hands or what, boys?
All right, my boys. Remember, boys, do your jobs, take care of each other. Big Bess will take care of you.
May Lord have mercy on our souls.
We'll get through this together, right, Edwards?
Right, sir.
Full ahead, driver!
The damn bird is shedding.
Molting, McManus. Bird's molt.
I'll pluck every feather off that damn...
Easy there. That pigeon could save your life. It's our only line of communication.
Get up there, Edward.
Yes! Starting to get the hang of it.
What'd you do back home?
Drove. A car. I was a chauffeur.
All stop. This is far enough. Infantry will go in the first whistle. Then we follow.
Heavens above. You ever seen anything like this?
I have, I'm sorry to say.
Listen. We're gonna cut down the guns up by that windmill. Give our boys some room. That's our cue. Full ahead! See that tank, Edwards? Don't get us stuck in the mud like that. They got one of ours! Eyes front, drive! We're moving slow. Finch, what's the matter?
Engine's fine, sir. It's the mud. Field gun!
Move and get a clear shot of those field guns.
I appreciate not being a target. Move right.
Keep your eyes peeled for more of those guns, lads. Up ahead! Never get sick of that sound. Hold position here. Clean out all the German guns.
Come on! Don't give up, lads. Involve them! They're gone! Boys are moving up!
Continue suppressing fire. Keep them on their heels. Field gun is down.
Briggs is on the retreat!
That's it. Hold and keep them suppressed. Hold her here and help our boys move.
Woo! We are in bed!
Good job, lads. Now we take the next trench.
One less field gun!
Target down. One less field gun to worry about, boys.
Jerry's down!
Hold here and clear the area. Be sure our boys have time to move up.
We got it!
Keep pushing, boys.
Fucking get country, lads!
Good job. But remember, the day's still young. We're heading for the ruins, clearing a path for the infantry. Got it! Damage! Hit!
Cannon's gonna slow.
Hold this position. Mop up the remaining Jerrys. Field gun is clear.
Engine's fine. You keep her moving. Oi, grenade! Starplanes are closing in.
That landship will rip our boys apart. Edwards, get us in. Gunners, go for the south spot.
Landship incoming! Engine's okay back in.
You're messing with the wrong crew. Armor can only take so much, new boy.
We've managed to move on.
Great work, lads. Time to move on.
Heading to range fire! Heads down! Close it! Can't move a hitch!
I need you out there to take a look.
Watch your roads, Fincher!
Edwards, get on and lend him a hand.
Words? Edwards! You good? You sure? Thanks! It's gone!
Keep it together, lads. Just get us moving. Edwards, get out fixed and get back in here. Get a move on, driver. Took on a damn Jonah, and now Vinci's gone. Hermanus, pull yourself together. Get us to that village, driver. Their artillery's holed up there.